Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Mate 30 Pro, and today I'll show you how to access the recovery mode on this device. So to get started, you want to hold power key, and once you see the options, you want to select power off, wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we will then hold power key till you see the 4G logo, and then release it and press it 3 times. So let's do it. Holding it, once I see the logo, I will release it, which is now, and press it 3 times. And it's gonna shut off again and turn back on once more. And this time it's gonna boot into the recovery mode. And there we are. So that's the recovery mode. And from here we can restart the device, clear data, which includes reset of the device, update, and boot the device into safe mode. So I'm simply gonna select restart. And each option works the same way. You just tap whatever you want to select. So I will just tap on reset or restart. And for some reason restart takes a little bit longer than everything else. So it looks like it's going to be stuck, and then it's going to turn off and then turn back on like it's doing right now. And we're back in the system. So that is how you would access and also leave the recovery mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.